your books? What is that?
Rabbit.
A rabbit.
Rabbit. Yeah.
And what else?
Puppy.
Ooh, and what's that one?
A tiger one.
A tiger one.
Yep.
Oh, and I know how much you like tigers.
Oh, those are nice presents.
Josh, hold on a second.
Are there more presents?
Here's more presents. Oops.
What is it?
You have to open it and find out. What is it?
What is that?
Oh, turn it over. Turn it over. There you go. Look at the front.
New outfit.
Yeah, it's a new shirt. It says Sunshine Girl on it.
Ooh.
I can't wait.
You can't wait. Here's another one.
What is it?
I don't know. You have to open it.
Oh, look at you open those presents. Wow.
Hey, Star.
What is it?
She's a clothes girl. Oh, how cute. Oh, that's going to look so pretty on you.
That's very pretty, Tegan.
Oh, I really like that. That's really cute. There's more. Do another one. Oh, that was fast. Turn it over. What's on the front? Oh, look, Tegan, look at the front of it. Oh, that's so cute with the puppy on it.
Can you see it? Need some help?
You see the puppy?
Oh, how pretty! Look! That's so cute.
This is how hard.
Yeah, he's got
He has a heart.
on him. Gosh, how many presents did you get? 4?
Yep.
5?
Mm-hmm.
6?
Yep.
Gosh, that's a lot.
Ooh. Ooh.
New outfit.
It's so pretty. Let's see.
What's on it?
It's a new outfit.
What's on it though? What are these?
Hard.
Hearts.
Oh, look, it's little shorts with a skirt on.
Oh,
that's
Tegan, you're gonna look so
cute.
cute in that.
Does Grandma look good in it?
Yep.
Yep, thank you.
What is it?
What is it?
Another present.
It's a new outfit. How cute.
Oh, Tegan, look. Little flowers on it.
Oh,
Isn't that cute?
Oh, Tegan.
so sparkly.
So sparkly. Oh, those are cute pants.
Okay, this is it. This is the last one, okay?
Boy, that's a lot of stuff. I guess you must have been a good girl. Woo! Go, Tegan, go!
I don't ever remember being this delicate with presents.
You weren't.
There you go. There you go.
Oh,
What is that? Another outfit. Oh my goodness. Wow, Tegan, you got a lot of really nice clothes for your birthday.
Oh, that's so cute.
Can you say thank you, Great Grandma?
Thank you, Great Grandma.
Say thank you, Auntie Chrissy. Can you say Chrissy? Can you say Desiree? Say thank you, Desiree. No?
We're gonna know those people.
Can you say thank you, Chrissy? Okay, can you say bye?
Bye.